Guys, it is time for an emergency update on the Bitcoin price because we just broke the crucial $50,000 resistance area to the upside. My long positions are actually exploding. I will tell you exactly what my new trade that I'm actually going to open live in this video is going to be. And also, guys, what am I planning with my current long positions that I also opened live throughout my last videos in the last 1 to 2 weeks. Guys, make sure to subscribe to this channel, activate the bell so you don't miss out on any future uploads. And after I predicted perfectly that the potential is higher of us breaking the $50,000 level to the upside, this now actually happens and new opportunities are actually forming on the smaller time frames. So let's not talk too much. Let's just jump right into the charts. As I said, subscribe, activate the bell, smash up a like on this video. Let's reach at least 2,000 likes here on today's video and leave a comment down below with your opinion. And for sure, guys, we will also take a look at the VPET V-Launch chart because this one is forming a beautiful ascending triangle right now that is going to break out till tonight. So make sure to stick around now, but let's start with the Bitcoin price first of all. As always, guys, we are still looking for around the $55,000 level to be broken to the upside so that our daily EMA ribbons have a good chance of flipping bullish within this and the next week. But most important, we are for sure trying to flip our weekly time frame fully bullish again. It is already looking fairly good. We have 2 days and 9 hours remaining. And guys, don't be confused. My lips are super dried out. I have a closed nose. I'm back in Germany right now. Here it's like minus 6 degrees and I'm coming from Dubai, plus 27, 26 degrees. So I got a cold. I'm getting a little bit sick, but I hope that it's going to be over. It's going to be over with as soon as possible, but just ignore if I'm maybe talking a bit nasally or whatever the word for this is. But who cares? Let's now continue with the charts. On the weekly time frame, we for sure want to see a weekly candle closing outside of our weekly EMA ribbons, because in the past, for sure, every time we retested the weekly EMA ribbons, as soon as we broke them then actually to the upside, in most of the cases, we then continued the bull run without actually testing the weekly EMA ribbons for quite some time. As you can see, every time when we bounce off them and the weekly candle closes outside of the weekly EMA ribbons again, most of the time this is a big sign of a bullish continuation. So this is looking good. We still need to climb above what I just mentioned. We still need to climb above the $52,000, $53,000 level. And looking now at the smaller time frames here at the daily, we are back inside the daily EMA ribbons, also a very good sign. But now let's look on even the smaller time frames, and I'm not talking only about the 4-hourly. I mean, on the 4-hourly, everything is still looking good. We broke out of our downward sloping channel here to the upside, are pumping since then, after we saw this little retest that I also mentioned in my yesterday's video. But most importantly, guys, we just formed a symmetrical triangle here for Bitcoin that could have broken to the upside, that could have catapulted Bitcoin to its price target of our falling wedge that I showed you in yesterday's video, all the way up at $52,300. But sadly, the bulls more or less got rejected. We broke it to the downside, but in my opinion, this is actually not a very bad sign. Just because we broke it to the downside, this doesn't mean that now this bullish price target of our falling wedge is invalidated. No, this just means actually that the bulls are able to hold a bearish breakout out of a bullish continuation pattern now on the smaller time frames right now, which is a good sign, because this just means that the Bitcoin bears are already wasting some of their selling pressure now early on, which will make it easier for Bitcoin to break the next crucial resistance, which is definitely still above us till we break pretty much the $55,000 level, especially also here with the daily time frame. If I'm switching here, let's take a look at the VPVR, at our horizontal support and resistance zones. Exactly, the $54,400 level, this is where the next resistance is coming in. So till then, Bitcoin should actually have quite a good chance of moving to the upside without having too much buy support. The same, by the way, goes for V-Launch, guys. Keep in mind, V-Launch actually completely exploding at the moment. CoinWeb, the next project that is going to launch, the whitelist is open for another 24 hours. If you want to join it, guys, log in with your MetaMask, have some VPET here staked. I mean, if I'm just reloading this page, more and more people are staking. 6,600 people are already staking now, a total value of around $10.8 million in VPET token is already locked up now. to take part in the future IDOs and free IDO allocations that are to come on this platform. So guys, make sure to not miss out on CoinWeb. And also one thing, I mean, the chart is just looking very, very bullish right now after the first initial hype that VLaunch VPET had after listing. I have to say we are now consolidating beautifully around the $1 area, but what we are already seeing is VPET VLaunch is forming beautiful higher lows all the time. This is where I made my video yesterday. I called you guys yesterday that I think actually we will form here somewhat of maybe a W pattern, a potential one, but this is actually not happening. We are actually forming here what I posted also on Twitter, a big ascending triangle. But either way, both of these chart patterns, now especially the ascending triangle, has higher lows. So these higher lows are for sure a very bullish sign, and I think as soon as we break here the resistance area of $1.13 to $1.15 for VLaunch VPET, we can expect the next big pump to come. I'm even saying, yeah, if just looking at the charts, no financial advice here, I could imagine us going here to the $1.44 level, but yeah, let's just wait for the breakout. It's going to happen somewhere tonight, so it's going to be very exciting. Only a few hours left till this breakout actually has to take place, and if it's to the upside, I think the move that will follow will be kind of explosive, because it will be the first big move to the upside pretty much, or the break of the highs that we pretty much established since token launch. So this will be the first time pretty much where VLaunch reaches a real new organic all-time high, besides this initial super pump that we saw. But okay guys, I would say, as always, if you enjoyed the video, like the video, subscribe, activate the bell, and we are going to see us in the next one. Till then, bye bye.